To clean a satellite coffee brewer using Tabz coffee equipment cleaning tablets, you begin by removing any old coffee from your filter basket. Next, we will take 3 Tabz tablets and add them to the brew basket. Add the tablets to the basket, trying to position them near the center. Next, ensure that your coffee satellite has been emptied of coffee. And brew. Today we're cleaning a 1.5 gallon satellite brewer. Each Tabz tablet is designed for 64 ounces of brewer capacity. To clean 1.5 gallons, we've used 3 tablets. The hot water from the brewer is dissolving the tablet in the basket and creating a solution in the dirty satellite below. At the end of the cleaning cycle, the blue cleaner will have mixed with the coffee oil residue and often will create a green solution. This is a perfect visual indicator that the product is working. When the cleaner has had a chance to soak for a few minutes, take your satellite to a sink, dump the solution, return to the brewer, and brew once again without any coffee or cleaner to rinse. At the end, you can return the brewer to service.